right, cool. Now, we're going to apply our one-step adhesive grab. You want to put it on there evenly. I recommend that you watch as many videos as you can, because everybody always want to tell you how to do it, how you should do it. You should do it how you feel comfortable. Get the tools to make your hands feel comfortable. All right? You apply it evenly. In the best manner possible. And once you get it on there evenly, then you want to flip your applicator over. Put your grout lines in. Then you want to place your tile onto the wall. Next video, we have some tile on the wall. All right.